I'm not going to tell you this is the only hammer you should have, but it is a hammer that I recommend every blacksmith work with and learn how to use, and I think you'll find that you'll be using it for most of your work. I certainly do. This is the diagonal peen hammer. The geometry, as you can see, is much different. In order to be parallel to the edge of the anvil and have my work, and I'll show you this hot in a moment, my arm is in a natural position. In order to do that with this, I have to be way over here. Not only do I have to be cockeyed, or I suppose I could go this way, that's more comfortable, but I'm still burning my hand. So I can do this. Now the weight of this hammer is nice, but if I want the piece to go back here and if I want to work square to the anvil, these hammers don't work. So I'm going to use the diagonal peen hammer, and you can see that my body position is a lot more comfortable. I can really swing this hammer. I can just do more work. And it's a fairly heavy hammer, so if I work quickly, I can keep the material hot. And if I want a fuller, I can do it this way. I also can fuller this way. This is pretty narrow, or I can fuller this way. But it's designed for working perpendicular to the length of the bar. So here I'm going to bend this bar, which would be something you might do in some architectural work or whatever. Now, once I've got the bar bent, I might want to come in here and do some more work, which I can do with this hammer because the handle is out of the way, so I can get all the way in there. That's simply not possible. Well, I guess it's possible if I burn the handle and come in like this, but you get the idea. I mean, I could come around here, I suppose, if the bar wasn't long, and I could get into it. But with the diagonal peen, perfectly natural, easy. Hand and hammer handle are away from the work. And with the square face, I can slide right down here and get into that.